Hey, good morning, guys. Coach here. I did not trade today. I'm getting ready for winter storm number 2 here in the Carolinas. But I just opened up the chart here to take a quick look at it before I head back outside. There's two really nice number sixes here. The first one started at 530, and I don't think many traders were trading in our group at that time, but we got a lot of new people in here now, so it's highly possible. So if you have already taken the strategy psychology course and you get all 4 your steps there, take a look at that and you'll see you should be identify immediately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pullbacks. Those 5 pullbacks that hit that red line, those will test your stop losses. So if you struggle with that, let me know. If you're playing at your risk reward, you can see that it never got to your stop loss, and that was a really, really nice one. So then again, it gets up to the top. It makes a new high. As you can see here, that's the blue line. That's where supply and demand start to come together again. Excuse me. And then right here at about 740, you start to get the exact same pattern upside down. So now you went from a really strong trend buy to a really strong trend sell. And then as you can see here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pullbacks. And my question is how did you play those? How did you play these pullbacks compared to these pullbacks? How did you feel? Did you get anxious? Did your heart rate increase? Did your palms get sweaty? All of the tall tale signs that you're just really risking way too much money. Since then, you don't have any number sixes. So if you're only a strategy 6 player, you're 2 and done right now. You've got number 1 here that was a winner, number 2 here that was a winner. You don't have a setup forming now, but if you did, if it was a buy setup, then you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 roadblocks, right? So don't take that buy. And if you're going to get a sell setup, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 roadblocks. So you're not going to take a number 6. You should not be taking a number 6. So when you see this happen, just switch over to strategies 1, 3, 4, and 5. And now start monitoring it here. And as you can see, there's no trades happening here. Look at your highs. You are making lower highs. But the problem is you're already now making higher lows. That's called consolidation. And when that happens, you should not be trying to trade. Right? Now, I'm not going to say you can't trade consolidation because you can scalp it. But that is an advanced move to where your margin might be risking $2,000 just to make 200. And for most of you, that is not a good risk reward ratio. So you should be 2 and done, and now you're observing. So the 9:30 bells rang. I have not turned on the TV in the trading room, so I have no idea what the Dow looks like, what the dollar looks like. It doesn't matter. I can see enough on that screen to know that the trading is over, right? So let me know how you did today. If you're new to the group, introduce yourself, say hi. If you're shy, send me a direct message. If you have questions, this is a free group. I mean, I don't know where else you're going to find a group that's going to have someone that's going to spend as much free time with you to help you meet your trading goals. So if you have any questions about the group, about the strategy psychology course, about the 6 free sessions before you even attempt to buy anything, if you have any of those questions, please let me know. I'm here to help you. So happy trading, play smart, follow the rules. I'll see you guys on Monday, maybe. Groundhog Day. We'll see how much more winter we're going to get. Have a good one. Let me know if you have any questions. See you.